this is me, Thomas, and today I want to show you my electric red car. I'm a little bit changed today because yesterday Dad bought me new shoes and a jacket. Same color because I wanted red, but yeah, it's brown. My red car is about 100 inches long, about that. Really, so that means it's it's 80, no, I forgot. Is it, no, yes, it's 100 inch long, yes, and 80 inch wide, no, 80, 60, that's pretty cool, big, and can even hold me. It's so really strong. It can adjust the mirrors. I got it used. That's the problem. But anyway, for the condition, it's okay. For my birthday, I'll make another video for my birthday when I will buy an American police car, electric one. That would be so cool. And underneath. Underside of it. Oh. See? It's really heavy. It's about 60 kilos. So that was still outside. My car is really nice. It's not too ugly, you know. Just keep the mirrors open. And just show you that is in paint. So get closer to me, everybody. You can see over here. I wish I could open the doors like this, but plastic. Ah, it's leaking water from the steering wheel. Get inside, have room for one guy and a passenger, and my passenger is over there. Here's my little passenger, Megan. She's so cute. Megan, I want to give me a kiss. Megan, come here. She's laughing at everything. Yeah, the front is a Dodge Viper. It has aerodynamic wings at the front. These are the wings. They call it flappers. Wheels. You want to get out and help me review my car? Okay, she'll come out too. Oh, here she is. Give me a kiss because you're so cute. Come on, Megan. She has her own car. She's ready. I can get inside. Come on, passenger. Megan, inside the car. Come closer because there's something to be shown inside. Everybody, I wish you was here in my garden. Anyway, look. You need to look here. It's so cool. And
give it a try, please.
Oh. Well, we need to see how I start. Okay, I'm just coming. It's really hard. My God. Here is the key on off. Let me stay inside if you want. Oh, let me go. Okay. And steering wheel goes well. Buttons. This is the sound. Another one. This is when it starts and stops. Beep beep. And here is the lever. Back. Forward. And there's also something else here. Here are the battery. battery charger indicator again. And you can put cups in here. Cups, and there's a radio that you can put your phone and MP3 power turning.
Let Megan sit, Thomas.
Okay. And I'll give it a try. But actually, you didn't came here to see everything in the car.
Okay.
So, come reverse. See how the inside looks like in a minute. And let me get out so everybody can see what is inside. Here it is. The front temperature, everything. That's and motor. Electric. Got 2 of these batteries. I'll come back in a second. Show you guys. This is how the battery looks like out from the car. Got one extra to show you guys. It's rechargeable all the time. So yeah. So Megan, where's up with the chairs? Oh, on the side. So when you get one of these cars, you have to need to unscrew this front thing, the wheels underneath the car. It's a lot to do. But I bought it already made in this condition. So we'll end the video now. I'm a bit tired. So thank you for watching this video. And I'll be back with more electric cars. Megan, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.